and welcome to this brand new tutorial about Django. In this series of tutorials, you will learn about this popular Python web framework from the beginning to the intermediate level, and then in the next series, we will cover more advanced topics. If you're wondering what we can do with the Django web framework, I should mention creating a website and a web application is generally what Django helps us to do. And about the variety of the projects we can work, I have to say that the sky is the limit and you can create any kind of website or web application that you can dream of. From chat and messaging applications to price charts and cryptocurrencies, or mix it with blockchain codes and create a decentralized application, it's just a dot in a huge space of the possibilities and examples. However, we should start with the most basic examples for you so that you can understand everything from scratch and be able to comprehend how each of the parts work together. In Django, we have MVT architecture, which stands for Model View Templates. Model is the tables we want to create for our database. Views is how we want to handle the data from the database to the templates, and vice versa. And templates are front-end codes that we write and the website visitors see. It is the visual part of every website. We also have URLs, which is the address of any page we want to add to our website. So that is the summarized explanation of how Django works, but there's a long story behind it, which we're going to work on in the next part of tutorials. If you want to start this series of tutorials, you need to be familiar with Python and its syntax, also HTML and CSS. It is also recommended that you know a bit about JavaScript. However, don't worry if you haven't learned it yet, because we will still be able to follow along with the tutorials. So if you're excited to get started, don't hesitate and start today.